Chapter 5 Apostrophe. Learn with me. If we need to tell that something or someone belong to a person, we use an apostrophe. An apostrophe is used to show ownership or possession. Read and learn the following rules below. We add apostrophe after singular nouns, names of people, and plural nouns that do not end in ses, like we add apostrophe to granny in granny's bed to tell that the bed belongs to granny. More examples. 1. Girl's dress. This means the dress belongs to the girl. 2. Rudyard Kipling Jungle Book. The book written by Rudyard Kipling. 3. Bunny's burrow. The burrow was where bunnies lives. 4. Friend's party. The party organized by a friend. We add apostrophe after plural nouns ending in ses, like we add apostrophe after the plural noun classmate in classmates project to tell that the project were made by the classmates. More examples. 1. Writer's book. The books written by many writers. 2. Artist paintings. The paintings of many artists. 3. Friends' story books. The story books belong to many friends. Common error. We usually do not use apostrophe with object. For example, saying the cat's toy is missing is incorrect because it is believed that animals and objects do not own things like humans do.